Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome on Coders Magic. There is a new vacancy from the Accenture for the fresher. So, guys, please go through this video and I will tell you how to apply for this job and what is the requirement for this job. And this job is for the software developer. And first of all, please share and subscribe this channel. And I'll next time going through this process. And there is a registration, that is registration form, and that is shown earlier that what to do and what not to do. Okay, you should write your name in appropriate way like this, and you should also upload your passport size photo like in this way, not like this. Okay, there is not should be spectacles and things or mask. And after that, just I'm going to take, this role is for the associate software engineer, and what is the description, job description, I am going to tell you. Okay? And this for this job you should have a BTech, PE or MCA or MTech, and this is only this is for the fresher, so it's good for us. And what is the requirement for this? You should be a basic knowledge of basic understanding of AP development on HANA, CDS, AMDP, performance analysis, and experience on or knowledge on configuration, customization, and Salesforce applications. And you should be a knowledge in .NET like ASP.NET or ASP.NET MVC or any programming language like C, C++. These are not mentioned here. And ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with the quality, with the agility, and the multidisciplinary and versatile attitude to learn, apply and new skills faster. Okay, you should be a quick learner. That's given here. And now I am going to fill this form. Just check this checkbox, and after that just select. I am not going to that one. Okay, just LinkedIn. You can also fill YouTube like this, and just enter your name and then middle name and last name. And if you are surely you are a college student, so this will be a registration number. That may be a card number or registration number, and email ID and mobile number. And after that you should select yes, so that this is for WhatsApp number, so that it can communicate easily on to you on WhatsApp. Okay, and after that you should enter alternate mobile number if you have, and date of birth. After that you should select male or female, whatever you are. And there is a education qualification. I'm going to just like a post graduation. There is a, you should put a degree or degree if you have, or there is only one option for undergraduate. There is a BTech and BE like this, and you should select your college name. And after that, what is your branch? Select the passing year. This is only for the passed out student 2020 and 2019. Okay, this is available here, and percentage or CGPA you should enter here. And after that you can add more educational details here. Okay, and next there is a professional experience if you have. Okay, just 0 to 11 months, or because it's for fresher, so no need of experience also. If you are working, then you can select yes or no, and if you have offer in hand, you can click on. If you have, you can yes, otherwise no. And you can also add skills, your skills like Vino.net or SFDC or others. Okay, your secondary, primary skills, and where you have used your primary skills, you should enter, and secondary skills what you have. And there is a certification details you should also enter. For this, if you have, you can enter, but this is not mandatory. And there is a preferred location where you want to work, like Pune, Cluster 1, Morapatta, or Hyderabad or Bangalore. Okay. there is preferred location. And next is gap in education. If you have, then you can, if you have more than 1 year gap, then you can apply. Okay, because most of the company doesn't allow more than 2 years of gap, but they allow you 1 year gap only. Have you worked in Accenture before like this? If you have done, I know. Standing backlog, no. So this should be no. If you have, don't, please don't fill this form. And there is a, if you have done applied for the Accenture before last 6 months, so then you should not fill this form, because if you have given the examination you are not selected, so you should not fill this form. And if you are citizen of Indian, yes, sure, you can put on the stuff. And after that just upload your CV, and a passport size photo. And after that you should just read that policy, and you should agree or not. Just you can read this, and after that just fill the captcha and submit the form. Okay, thank you. Please share and subscribe this channel, because I will update you each and every day regarding job opportunity from the big company. And also I will provide competitive coding related interview questions and answer also. And I will share on this channel programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, and many new technology will come, and I will update on this channel. Okay, so please share and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.